So whenever I post a video for fire signs, it does not matter video kya hai, it will always blow up, always. So hi, my name is Marsha and you better know me as Divinity by Maya. Let's see the June forecast for my fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. And if you are watching this video, then before we start, I want you to type your sign very quickly. Are you a Aries? Are you a Leo? Are you a Sagittarius? Are you watching this video for someone you know? Let me know in the comments for energy exchange. Okay, so if you are an Aries, what's coming into your life? Let's see. Let's start with love life first. Okay, I think someone new is coming. If this is not someone new, this could be someone that could be like a situationship. I definitely would not call this an ex, but I would call it a situationship or somebody that you have been flirting with. A couple of you could be like on dating apps, or this could be a second download that I'm getting again and again. This could be like a club or a party scene and you meet someone. A black, orange or coral dress could be important. Somebody wearing these colors. If this is a man, he could be wearing like peach or white as well. Let's see what's coming into your love life. I also feel that yes, this person is definitely coming in with the offer of love. Not very mature feelings, not very concrete romantic feelings yet, but yes, this person is going to make you an offer of love. Maybe you go out on a date, keep talking more. What's going to come with this person? I do think that this person finds you very attractive, very charming. This could also be a person who's very bold, could be a fire sign placement themselves, or could be a Gemini. This could be a Gemini. This is someone who finds you very attractive, wants to get close to you, sees you as socially valuable, I also feel that some of you are making the decision of leaving something behind. You're leaving someone or something that was painful behind. This could also be a breakup that a few of you have had, or a disappointment in love. You are walking away. This is definitely a transition phase for you. And what will this transition bring? I do feel that with this transition, you are moving towards a better place in life. You're moving towards a place which offers you commitment. You're moving towards a place where you feel that whatever I have been manifesting, that is, if you are manifesting something, you are definitely getting it. Also, you could be seeing the numbers 111, 444, or 222. Then this is definitely for you. How is your career gonna look like? Let's see. I think in terms of career, both the cards that I've got, this one and this one, I think both of them encourage taking a leap of faith. Take a leap of faith because this is a new beginning. Wherever you are putting this new beginning, maybe some of you are working at a startup, or you are deciding, should I continue doing a business, should I do a business, how's my work gonna look like? I feel that there's definitely going to be a new beginning. If you're not changing jobs, if you are not applying to a new job, this could be a promotion at your workplace, or this could be a change in management. Maybe the person who manages you or your team could change. I definitely think that you need to take a leap of faith. So if you get the chance to do something new, to try something new, definitely do it, because it is going to be something that's reciprocated. So if you work hard right now, it is going to be reciprocated in your life. So yes, overall, I think for my Aries, you're having a great time in your life right now. Let's see for my Leos की जिंदगी में क्या आने वाला है in terms of your love. Let's start. I think this is going to be something. This is something abrupt. Usually मुझे लगता है कि Leos अपने circle के drama queens, drama kings, queen bee energy होती है. But right now what I see here is that someone else is giving you a shocker. How are you going to react to it? I think that you're going to react like how you always react, like a fucking emperor. Pardon my French, but this is definitely you saying, I do not give a damn. Like, like there was this reel I saw on Instagram. You need to find Dora to find how many fucks I give. This is what you're gonna say. But how are you gonna be on the inside? I think on the inside also you're not feeling much. You'll be like, I think for a second you might feel a shock because it is supposed to be one. But at the same time, I don't think that you're going to give a damn for too long. You're going to move away from this thing very fast. What else is coming into your love life? Let's see. Okay, I do feel that this is the card of someone who is trying to say either you're with someone who feels that you're not giving them much, or you are not getting much from your partner. You need to create a balance in your connection if you want this to work out, because this is causing someone anxiety. This is causing someone sleepless nights. And this is definitely the card which says you need to sit down and talk with your partner. You need to fucking sit down and talk with your partner about what you want. Are you on the same page? Let's see your career, your finances, how it's going to look like in the month of June. I feel that in terms of your money, some of you are in a very unhealthy mindset with money. A lot of you may be spending money too quickly. I don't think that you share a very comfortable and easy relationship with money. What is really happening over here, आपके पास पैसे आते हैं तुरंत खर्च हो जाते हैं because you don't feel comfortable with it, or there is something that you keep spending money on, like it's like a guilty pleasure of yours. How to improve this? I do feel that you are the one who's having sneaky behavior right now, you know, like you feel such a guilty pleasure over something that you know that is the wrong thing. You should not spend your money on this. Sometimes this could also be things that are not good for you. For example, alcohol or cigarettes or substance of some kind, or perhaps you just have a spending problem. Some of you could be having an online spending problem. I'm seeing a lot of I'm feeling this is a lot about shoes, that somebody who spends a lot of money on sneakers or shoes, or a Leo that you know who spends a lot of money on shoes or their appearance, could be also someone who spends a lot of money on their hair or very conscious about their hair. What else is gonna happen in terms of money and career? Yeah, okay, not money, but in terms of पहली बात तो I don't think you're gonna run out of money. पैसे तुम कितने भी खर्च कर लो, कितना भी uncomfortable relationship हो जाए, पैसे आते ही रहते हैं. और also in terms of your career, I think you're about to get some good news. Yes, yeah, I think you're supposed to get some good news. You could also make some really good friends at work right now if you're working somewhere, or a friend could be very important in terms of getting a job offer or referral. Now, before going to Sagittarius, by the way, all the Leos, please tell me in the comments for money problem क्या है, ठीक है, किस पे अपने वैसे खर्च कर रहे हो. But now, Sagittarius, let's see if you are a Sagittarius placement, what's coming in your love life in the month of June. Girl, I think that somebody is stalking you. Like somebody is looking at you, not necessarily on social media, but somebody is definitely looking at you. This is the card of someone who's lurking, who's watching you from the outside, watching you from far away. Not someone who's close to you, maybe someone you're not in contact with. Asking your friends, like, what is she doing? What is he doing? You know, like basically stalking you. Okay? And this is a person who's definitely missing you. Missing you, wants to reconnect with you, thinking about the old times, thinking about the times that you've spent together. बट ये सिर्फ फीलिंग्स रहेंगी या फिर ये बंदा कुछ करेगा भी आपके साथ. Okay, I do feel that you can get an abrupt message from out of nowhere. Like एकदम से कोई मैसेज आएगा और तुम्हें वो समझ में भी नहीं आएगा कि ये तुरंत कैसे आ गया, बट ये बहुत अब्रप्ट होगा इन द सेंस कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि अगर आप ब्लॉक्ड हो तो सडनली अनब्लॉक हो जाओ और मैसेज भी आ जाए. ठीक है, दिस कुड बी अ रिप्लाई टू अ स्टोरी फ्रॉम समवन हु हैज नॉट रिप्लाइड इन फॉरएवर. बाय द वे, आई मस्ट टेल यू, ओके, देयर इज अ subliminal on my page, so if you do want to, you know, like get a message or a call from this person, you need to go to this video. I'm telling you, okay. By the way, this is definitely a person who gets offended very quickly. यानी कि अगर तुम्हारा ब्रेकअप हो चुका है, this is a person who walked away from you. Again, the card that I'm getting, walked away, did not reciprocate. तुमने एफर्ट डाला, बंदे ने रेसिप्रोकेट ही नहीं किया, बंदी ने रेसिप्रोकेट ही नहीं किया. This was a person who put an end to this connection, but at the same time, this is a person who wants to reconnect, who wants to talk, wants something with you. What do they want with you? I do think that, okay, the Wheel of Fortune is reversed. I do not believe in reversed cards, but if by mistake while I'm shuffling and a card gets reversed, I definitely think it's a sign. This is a person who wants to be in the damn safe space as you as they were before. यानी कि वो लोग हैं जो ये feeling miss करते हैं that, you know, like, remember when you were my girlfriend, remember when we were holding hands. They remember that phase, and even though this person has walked away from this connection, they don't want things to change. They hate the change that has occurred in your life. So I definitely think that if you are a Sagittarius placement, आपकी जिंदगी में कोई आपको बहुत दूर से देख रहा है और वो आपके पास आना चाहता है और आपसे बात करना चाहता है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं they miss the feeling of being with you. But are they the correct person? Are their intentions genuine? No, I don't think so. Okay, I do definitely feel that this person is exploring the options. This person is exploring these options, and also this person is idolizing this relationship too much. यानी कि तुम्हारे जिंदगी में I am definitely saying that there were certain things in this relationship because of which they moved on. ठीक है, बट अब वो सिर्फ अच्छा पार्ट याद कर पा रहे हैं, वो पार्ट रिमेम्बर ही नहीं कर पा रहे, जिसकी वजह से दे डिसाइडेड टू मूव अवे फ्रॉम दिस कनेक्शन. और अब वो आइडलाइज कर रहे हैं, रोमांटिसाइज कर रहे हैं कि हम तो बड़े अच्छे थे साथ में, तो यहाँ पे एक मसला है. स्पेशली इफ दे वर टॉक्सिक टू यू, नथिंग हैज रियली चेंज्ड हियर. ओके, now Sagittarius, what is coming into your love life in terms of your career? Let's see, करियर कैसे होने वाला है, पैसे कैसे लगेंगे, you know, get that back bro. I don't think that you know what you're doing. Like, I feel like you are the one who's confused. And also because some of you are resistant to manifestation. You guys are either not manifesting what you want or you're manifesting negative things in your life. और मुझे लगता है कि आप उन लोगों में से एक है जो बाकी सबको बहुत ज्ञान देते हैं, बट जब अपनी बारी आती है अपनी एडवाइस तुम खुद कभी नहीं लोगे. और जिस मामले में, जिस एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ में तुम बाकी सबको बहुत करेक्ट, बहुत टू द पॉइंट एडवाइस दे रहे होते हो, खुद की जिंदगी में वो एस्पेक्ट सबसे खराब होता है, सबसे वाहियात. ओके, नाउ व्हाट एल्स इज कमिंग इनटू योर लाइफ? सॉरी यार, करियर, पैसे, ठीक है. पैसे के मामले में कुछ चीजें ऑलमोस्ट हो जाएंगी, यानी कि 99% पहुंच जाओगे, 1% समहाउ रह जाएगा. तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कोई काम ऑलमोस्ट हो जाए, या फिर सपोज आपको कहीं से 100 रुपए कमाने थे, आपने 99 कमा लिए, ठीक है. और क्या आने वाला है इनटू योर करियर? आई थिंक करियर वाइज अच्छे चेंजेस आ सकते हैं, बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट कम्स एट अ मैच्योर फेस, यानी कि व्हेन द मंथ मैच्योर्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली ऑन जून 23 और 24, तब आपका ये जो ऑलमोस्ट वाला काम है वो 100% में बदलेगा. नाउ फाइनल एडवाइस फॉर माय सैज प्लेसमेंट्स, द जस्टिस कार्ड. इट ऑलवेज सेज जितना करोगे उतना भरोगे. I'm pretty sure that proverb is something else, but I think the English version is as you sow shall you reap. कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर आप 100% डालोगे तो 100% ही रिटर्न्स मिलेंगे, 10% मेहनत करोगे तो 10% ही रिटर्न्स मिलेंगे. यानी कि आपको कितने रिटर्न्स चाहिए, कितना फायदा चाहिए, कितने पैसे चाहिए, कितनी करियर में ग्रोथ चाहिए, कितना प्यार मोहब्बत चाहिए, उसके लिए आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि हाउ मच आर यू विलिंग टू गिव. व्हाट यू आर विलिंग टू गिव, द यूनिवर्स विल मेक श्योर दैट यू गेट इट बैक, सूद समेत, right? So I would just say that my Sag placements, manifest good things, because you're not manifesting. Manifest good things, have happy thoughts, have positive thoughts, and definitely you will have a lot of fun this month. Do not let the almost break your heart. Okay, and with that, if you are a fire sign placement, if you enjoyed this video, I want you to subscribe and I want you to save so that you can come back to this anytime that you're looking for guidance. And with that, let me know, are you a Aries, Leo or Sag in the comments, so that I can always make sure to make more videos for you.